On behalf of the CMR University School of Legal Studies, I would like to extend a warm and cordial welcome to everyone. Welcome, everyone. Today's international conference on aviation law will surely give us a lot of learning on various aspects of aviation law, like the impact of COVID-19 in the aviation industry, on shielding Indian aviation industry vis-a-vis the consumer protection in this era of global pandemic, on privatization of the airports and aviation dispute settlement mechanism, etc. I request all the participants to kindly switch off their video and mute their audios throughout the session. Our eminent speakers will be addressing all your questions and doubts by the end of the session. You can put your questions in the chat box. I now call upon Divya Mishra, a student of CMR School of Legal Studies, to present a song and invoke the blessings of Almighty.
Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and nature, represents the free flow of consciousness and wisdom. It is believed that chanting Saraswati Vandana is to enlighten everyone with wisdom and knowledge. Jaya 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 He Veena Pani, Jaya 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 He Veena Pani, Shiv Kalyani Matu Bhavani, Shiv Kalyani Matu Bhavani, Jaya 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 He Veena Pani, Jaya 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 He Veena Pani. Sapt Suro ke deep jala de, Sapt Suro ke deep jala de, Rom Rom Sangeet saja de, Rom Rom Sangeet saja de, Jaya 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 He Veena Pani, Jaya 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 He Veena Pani.
Thank you, Divyam. That was soulful. We have with us our beloved Dean Sir, Professor Dr. T.R. Subramania, who has obtained his MPhil and PhD degree from the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru University. Professor Dr. T.R. Subramania was the former Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Law University. He has also been the Professor of International Law at West Bengal University of Medical Sciences. He has also served as the legal advisor of the Kingdom of Bahrain for over 7 years. I request Sir to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. Since 1919, after the adoption of the Paris Convention, lots and lots of developments have taken place in the aviation law. And all the states came together, and having come together, they were in a position to sign the Chicago Convention of 1944. In spite of lots of differences, states were in a position to adopt international conventions. But then, the COVID-19 at one go had stopped almost all the activities. Privatization of airports, privatization of airlines, and the job structure itself almost have come to a grand halt. When I speak of this, the statistics of the government of India, if you go to say, in 2017 itself, 23% of the population started moving in airlines. So the entire the transportation facility, which earlier used to take place in rails or buses, shifted to airlines. But then the employees who are employed with the respective airlines today are suffering the worst. And most of them are not in a position to make payment as well. In circumstances such as this, how the COVID has hit hard the very industry and the other issues relating to navigation, issues relating to dispute settlement, issues relating to insurance will be discussed today. On behalf of the CMR group of institutions, I deem it a great privilege. The best of the best resource persons who have come here today and are from the best of universities, wherein teaching of aviation law, international air and space law is provided. We are honored to have them in this institution on this day. I, on behalf of the institution, welcome our Honorable Chairman, Sri K.C. Ramamurthy, Chairman of the CMR Group of Institutions, who is a member of the Rajya Sabha and IPS. Welcome you, sir. We also welcome Dr. Sabita Ramamurthy, the Chancellor of CMR Group of Institutions, Sri Jaydeep, Pro-Chancellor of CMR Group of Institutions, Dr. Trista, Provost of the CMR Group of Institutions, Dr. Shresh, Dr. Bhaskar Reddy, the Pro-Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. Praveen, the Registrar of the University, Dr. Suja Bennett, the Academic Dean of the CMR Group of Institutions, and all the respective deans, directors, respective principals of different schools and colleges and other sister institutions of CMR Group of Institutions. All the delegates, it is my duty to welcome you learned participants. It is because of your participation we are in a position to host and conduct a seminar of this nature. Last but not the least, while welcoming all the learned resource persons, I intend to welcome the resource persons of the first session. The first speaker will be Professor Miss Laura. The second speaker will be Dr. Mario Falki and Professor Dr. Vincent Correa. I welcome all of them to this function. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now call upon our chairman, sir, Shri K.C. Ramamurthy, who was an IPS officer and is currently a member of parliament from Rajya Sabha. I request sir to give his presidential remarks.
Panelists, top aviation experts from different countries, participants, faculty and students of CMR, School of Legal Studies. At the outset, I wish to congratulate Professor Subramania and the team for coming out with such important topic for discussion and deliberation. All of us are in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic, which has brought in struggle in all the sectors of the society and economy. Because of the pandemic, airlines industry throughout the world, not only India, throughout the world, had complete shutdown and in very rare cases, partial shutdown. The lockdown has impacted the airline industry. This has led to huge losses. It has also led to multiple issues such as flight rates, employment impact on industry, impact on the consumers, international trade, and many other aspects. There is no single solution for this. It's not an isolated industry that's undergoing this great trouble, but it's a very important, a connective activity will have to take place only with the airline industry, only when it's prosperous. There are various issues, and I'm sure this very important discussion will lead to prepare a consolidated document which would guide many of the countries, many of the airline industries to see that their problems are properly tackled and issues are taken forward. I wish the conference all the success. I am grateful that very important and senior aviation experts from throughout the world are here. And I'm sure the Indian context is something very important and different from many of the European and Western countries. In the Indian context, we are in a position to come out. Now the Indian aviation industry is just taking off after the COVID, and it's not totally under depression now. I wish that in the short while to come, there will be better results coming out in the aviation sector also. I wish the conference all the best, and I once again congratulate and thank Subramania and team for having organized this conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.